Welcome back, guys, and yes, you've read the title correct. We are doing a pan-fried jerk sea bass. Let me repeat that: pan-fried jerk sea bass. And these are the ingredients. We have our bay leaf and our pimento. We have our salt and pepper, or mother seasoning, and our Walker's Wood jerk seasoning in flavor mild. And the star of the show, or sea bass. Yes, guys, so you don't know, we're gonna jump into the preparation.
Alright, guys. Right now I'm gonna cut off a piece of this.
Yes,
set
guys.
That aside. You know the regular routine. Mix up the salt and pepper, get it all in one.
Mix up. Yes, guys. Marry them because they're mother and father. So, marry them, right? Yeah.
Alright, guys. So now we're gonna sprinkle the salt and pepper just lightly.
Yeah. And sometimes these jerk seasoning tend to have some amount of salt already. Oh, guys, that fly, you see him? Oh my God. Don't know why them all up in here.
Alright, so now we're gonna add some jerk seasoning.
Yes, guys. And you want to use this jerk seasoning, even though it says mild, you want to use it mildly, then you can taste, right? So that's what we're gonna do first and foremost. If you hear the oil in the back, that's our oil heating up, right? Look at that. And guys, the aroma from this jerk seasoning is so good, right? It's really amazing. And that's about it. We don't need no more jerk seasoning.
Alright, so right now we're going to submerge this in the oil.
Yes, guys. And if you guys have time, you can season overnight, 30 minutes to an hour, however long you have. But we have one pre-seasoned already, so we're just going to submerge that into the oil. Let's go. Yes, guys, oil is at the right temperature, so we're just going to submerge this sea bass. Look at that, beautiful in that oil. And guys, the aroma is so nice, and we're going to spruce it up just a little more with our bay leaf and our pimento. Hey guys, Chef Reid and Chef Alexander, flavor and taste is everything for us, guys, and you guys know this. So we're just going to allow this to fry for 5 to 8 minutes on each side. All right, so we're gonna come back again when we're going to give this a turn. Look at that. Oh, that looks beautiful.
Super.
Yes, guys, we're here again, and you know what time it is. Time to give this a turn. Look at that. Oh my God, this is looking so nice, guys. Look at that brown. Oh, that display, I can't even speak. This flavor is so amazing, guys. You guys know that I have a passion for cooking, and I love what I do so much, and this is just everything for me, and I know that flavor is on point, right? So next time you guys seeing us, it's removal time, and time for that banger plating. So ready up your quick thinking and your quick fingers
to spam up the comment section.
So forward. Yes, guys, it's that time for the removal. Look at that. Make them see what I want, chef. Beautiful. So
this is a jerk pan-seared sea bass.
So start dropping them comments. Plating time. Let's go. Yes, guys, start dropping them comments. Let's go.
Count with me. 1, 2, 3.
Oh yes.
I think I should give you guys another one.
Another one. 4.
That's about it.
Yes, guys, and we see a lot of you guys commenting in the comment section that you guys are not getting the notifications. So what you guys can do is turn on your notification bell to all, and if it's not on all, you put it on all. And if you're still having that problem, look at that, you just unsubscribe and subscribe again to make sure, and leave a comment to ensure that this sticks, the subscription sticks, right? Now onto this goodness. on to this goodness. Look at that. Look at that, guys. We have a lot in store for you guys, so just be there with us on this journey because there's a whole lot coming. We have our event coming up in August. We'll share the posters over here as soon as it's finished, so be on the lookout. Coming along with that polenta. Oh yes, yes guys, look at that. Beautiful, right? And if you have any requests on what you guys want to see us prepare, you can just leave that down in the comment section. Are you guys seeing this? Raisin in that polenta. Anywhere you see this, guys, you know that's Chef Reid and Chef Alexander's signature polenta, right? Coming along with that roasted onion. Guys, this is so giving, right? Just picture it. You're in Jamaica and you're eating jerk in fine dine, fine style, right? So you want your polenta, your greens, you know, we're still keeping it with your culture. You're having some greens right there, and you're having that nice jerk fish. What else? What else, guys? I will have that nice jerk sauce looking so hey guys. Guys, leave your thoughts in the comment section. I'm giving you guys a visualization, right? Guys, this is so giving, right? Lovely. Yes. Remember to follow us on Instagram. Pictures will be posted over there. Yes, guys, remember pictures will be posted on our Instagram. Look at that beauty, right? This is so lovely. This is so lovely, right? This is so lovely. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it, guys. This is giving.
Well, here in the comment section now. We name. Take it to the world, man.
Yes, guys. Pure creativity over here.
Tell them what you think I come next. But even not tell them, just watch and see what I go on.
What you think coming? What you think coming? Tell me, guys, what you think coming. No, it's not that. It's not that.
You guess wrong.
I guess you didn't think it would be this, right? Right? Guys, everything we do different. Correct? Everything we do different, guys. Textures, layers, that's what we have over here, right? You feel me? So yes, guys, this is it. So what else you think the plate needs? Just leave it down in the comment section and let me know. This is so nice, guys. I really love this. Right there, the garnish. Oh yes. Oh yes. That garnish. Guys, I get excited over my work. Yes, I get so excited. And as I said, guys, follow us on TikTok. Follow us on our Instagrams. We post pictures over there every Saturday, every Sunday. So yes, follow us over there.
Last but not least,
a cherry tomato, guys. This has a lot of flavor packed in. Creativity at its finest. And Something to take your taste buds on a paradise
You see,
journey.
if you see this anywhere else, comment it down below because I know say over here. So first, we're gonna see this.
Oh yes. So guys, until next time,
Bye.
bye foodies.
Bang, bang.
Remember guys, give us a call, DM us on Instagram. We can talk all business over there, right?